Marshmallow. Everybody love marshmallow. Today we'll make together two types of marshmallow. Basic recipe. You can do it. As you see, it's spongy, tasty. You can add it the flavor, aroma, whatever taste you want. You can control in this video everything. I love marshmallow deep in chocolate, especially when we make barbecue. I love smoky marshmallow. After that, I deep in chocolate, the best flavor ever. So easy recipe. Let's do it together. 20 gram gelatin, 3 gram vanilla sugar, 1 gram salt, 260 gram sugar, 110 water, 200 gram glucose. First step, we soak the 20 gram gelatin in very cold water. And if you have gelatin powder, it's the same recipe. 20 gram gelatin powder, mix it with 100 milligram 100 ml water and keep aside. Here it is 110 water, 260 sugar, 200 gram glucose. We mix all together, then we bring it to boil. Now gelatin already 10 minutes, is very cold. I must squeeze it, dehydrated also, and I keep aside in container. My syrup start boiling. Pinch of salt is give really good taste to marshmallow. Don't forget. All the recipe I leave in description box below. Now start boiling. I use 107 degree Celsius. You can see start boiling. I use sugar thermometer. It's accurate, or you can use digital thermometer. If it's good brand, it will works. Here one tray, I spray oil spray, or you can brush with oil, and then we dust 50 gram sugar powder, 50 gram corn flour. This is the best mix for marshmallow. As you see, I shake it all the side. Here 107. Some people 113 use the marshmallow. I love 107, so it give time. When reach 107, I squeeze the gelatin. I mix, as you see. It's like syrup. So many chefs, they put gelatin in the mixer and then pour on top the caramel. I love this way, and it works always. After that, I leave it in container or in mixing bowl at least 10 minutes to reduce temperature. When temperature is high, if I whisk, it will not be shiny white, and it takes time to have double volume. But when it cool like 70, 75 to 80, it's so easy. I can use hand blender, or you can use normal mixer or KitchenAid, whatever method you have. I must shake front and side, back and forth, to incorporate the air inside to give the volume. I decide this make it two type of marshmallow, plain vanilla, and this one I make it with mango. So I give mango essence and little color. As you see, when it's grow up, and very important, you must pour marshmallow while it's hot. So 50% I added to this container. You can divide it 2-3 flavor as much as you can, or you can make it one flavor only each time. So I try in this video to show you. I added yellow color and then mango essence. As you see, light yellow color. I don't like so artificial. And in other mold, you can see when it's hot, it's easy to pour into any mold. But when it's cold, it's like plastic, you cannot move it. So you must be very quick when you use marshmallow. Now it's ready. I keep it 24 hours in room temperature. Never put in the fridge. And after 24 hours, I dust with the same mixer 50 gram corn flour, 50 gram icing sugar. Then you can remove and you cut. You must dust your knife with icing sugar or corn flour so to be easy to cut. And you can also roll some to make it decoration for plated dessert or for gâteau. And this recipe you will be very happy. Please, if this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion of Africa, working cruise line, corporate pastry chef for Royal Caribbean, MSC, Norwegian Cruise Line. I hope you leave a comment to tell us what you think and how we can improve our channel. Best, easy marshmallow. Bon appetit, everyone.